Hi guys, welcome back. I'm a mess. I've been pouring and painting, and it's kind of the end of the day, and I've had this mauve mixed for a while now, and I haven't known what to do with it. It's kind of muted, so I was afraid, I guess, that it would kind of get look muddy with some other colors. I don't know, but I really, as much as I hate to admit it, it's mauve. I like it. So anyway, I have some left over of this metallic champagne that I used today, and I have some teals, and I thought let's just go for it. So I think I'm going to do a swipe. I have some cardboard. I might cut this in half so I have a couple different ones if I need them. There we go. So I don't know. Sometimes these things translate well in a swipe or in a pour, and sometimes they don't. But I'm just gonna go for it. So I think I'm gonna do actually a color ordered swipe. I don't always do that, but I am this time because for one, I want this champagne to show up, and I'm afraid if I do like a ribbon swipe or a like a yarn swipe, string type swipe, that it's just going to disappear on me. So I'm going to start with it as my swipe color, and I'm just gonna, if I don't like the swipe line that I end up, that really went with, I'll worry about that after I'm done and I can work with it. Okay, so there we go. Let's do a little bit more of this down here. Are any of you old enough to remember the Atari game Dig Dug? Every time I do a swipe like this, that's all I can think of, Dig Dug. I don't know how any of you are old enough to remember that. Okay, everything except the mauve is mixed with 50-50 glue all and pouring medium, Liquitex pouring medium. I believe the mauve is mixed with Floetrol, and I think everything has silicone, but I'm not 100% certain. I think they all do though. Okay, so let's just go for it, see what happens. I'm just using a piece of cardboard here this time. I love, love, love using any kind of pearl in a swipe. It's just so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna wipe this off really well. I'm gonna kind of fix that little bit. Let's go right here. I will torch this. Here when I'm done swiping. I do really like these colors, I must say. Mauve and all, I do like these colors. Okay. And one more over here. My water bottle is in the way. Okay, and I love these lines. I always kind of leave them. I have swiped with something big enough that, you know, will cover the whole thing at once. I kind of like the lines. It gives it a little bit, you know, a little interest there. Okay, let's torch. Okay, see what we get. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe that mauve didn't have silicone in it, because that's kind of where our berries. I'm just gonna let them develop for a minute because they're kind of popping up. And I kind of like that a little bit here, a little bit there. Be good with that. I'm not gonna mess with it because I like these little splotches of cells. Let's do some close-ups. It's kind of neat. I really like this one. I love the champagne at the top. The little texture from, since we have silicone in the champagne, it's even giving its little divots. Those are super pretty also. Okay, there we go. You know, whoa, what happened? Sometimes that works out with colors you think, and sometimes it doesn't. This one really worked out. Let me know what you think. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Do you have a color you have on your shelf that you really want to use, but you're like, I'm not sure what to do? Let us know in the comments what color that is. And look at those little chameleon cells that I didn't even, looks like a little worm went through the painting. That's really cool. Okay, I guess that's it. That was super quick. We will see you next time, guys. As always, happy pouring.